All right, guys, gals, still with me? Y'all recognize this? Huh? You probably don't. This is the end gate. This is probably the most #1 thing that I have my skid purchasers asking, hey, what's this thing? It's an end gate. What's end gate? End gate is a thing that you attach to this skid here. I'll show you. And you then cut your own piece of plate, cover up your tailgate. So when you drop your tailgate, you drop that piece of plate that you just cut and welded onto the hinges. You drop that down. And so now instead of banging around and working off of the tailgate, you're working off of this piece of steel plate. Ah, see what just happened right there? We thought of it. Yes, we did. You don't see a lot of Americans running them. However, I have a feeling that may change as this video gets out there and everybody wants to do it. Everybody's going to want to do it. Just it's what happens. So real quickly, it's a minute and 10, 11 into this. I'm going to see if I can't do this in by 3 minutes. So let's talk more work. All right. So I pull my piece out. I got my skid sitting there behind me. Grab your bag of bolts, 3 of them in there. I show you. Here we go. You got 3 holes down here. Take this, run these pieces outwards, find the center hole down here, push it through. Ow. See, it works. So turn it around, slip that through. Now, take your nut. Put it on, rinse and repeat 2 more times. One more time, again, nuts to the outside. Nuts to the outside, use Loctite blue. That way you can see if they're coming loose. Now, you'll have this little package in there too. It's not a brick of cocaine. It is 2 hinges. There is no up, there is no down. There is not. You put them any way you want. Now, you remember a while back in one of those bags that you had two of these like Super Duty long bolts, the propane tree bag bracket, post bracket, 2 of them. This is where they go. So, come on in here. Slip them in, let it hang. Again, put this to the inside, bolt it, pin it, nut it. Bada bing, bada boom. Now, that's where you, once you get your skid system put in, you cut your plate, slap it on there, weld it on. You can put the plate on top of the hinges. You can put the plate under the hinges. See, they come up and down. All right. So when you fold this thing up, when you fold it up, it's going to come up to about here. And then that's where this piece right here comes into play. Let's open it up so you can see what it is. I know what some of y'all were thinking. Y'all thought this was an Eiffel Tower, didn't you? You thought this was a little Eiffel Tower from France. Let's get this plastic off of here. Golly. Okay. All right. Boom. That's what we have. Look at that little gem of a piece, right? Take your bolts off here. 3/4 inch. Right, and then what you're going to do is once you got, see that's a slip bracket, take this off. Once you got your plate on there, you mount it here or over on this post. Fold your plate up where it butts up to it, mark it, cut a hole in it, then the plate will slide across it. Then you can pin this or lock it. Now you got yourself a work table. That's a free tip. Okay, Catch us on the next one. Comments, questions, you know what to do. Put them below. I can't wait to hear from some of y'all. So, all right, y'all be safe. Catch you on the next video.